Welcome back, guys, to another interesting video. In this video, I will provide you with a game booster, which will help you to increase gaming FPS in any low-end Android. Guys, first download the game booster from the description. After downloading and install it, after the installation, open the app. You will see a lot of option to increase gaming FPS in any Android. Follow me as I am doing and get the maximum FPS. If this game turbo work for you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.